Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Coffee Rock. This is Leonard McDonald, and if you're a business owner or you're interested in starting your business, you're in the right place because I'm going to be covering some tips to help you grow your business. Now, today, the topic for today is called the flow, the creative flow. And or to be more exact, your creative flow. One of the most important things that a lot of people don't take advantage of because they don't necessarily notice it. But what it is there's a specific time during the day, usually it's like a 3 to 5 hour shift, where your creative juices are just running rampant. So what you want to do is find out what time of day that is for you, and then focus on channeling it so that your creativity is all going towards, building your business, creating your business, or ways to advertise or get more attention to your business. You can also use it for your relationships as well. A lot of people will probably appreciate, some creative ideas and thoughts and plans towards them. But since this is all about business, that's all we're going to cover. But that's something to think about. So specifically for me, my creative flow is about 5:30 in the morning to around 10:30 in the morning. Ideas just come, boom, 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 boom. And so the way I approach it is I make sure that during that time my schedule is clear so that I don't have anything distracting me or taking away from the time when I'm my most creative. And then I have another time set aside later during the day where I can actually put time into developing those ideas and those thoughts and turning them into something. So I wanted to give you guys that tip today. If you have not already, make sure you send me a message letting me know you're interested, because I'm still running the DocuSeries competition where I'm taking 10 people and I'm teaching them for free how to start their business and make it profitable quickly. So if you're interested in doing that, make sure you send me a message, let me know. And full disclosure, it is in front of a camera, it's a DocuSeries, so make sure that you're comfortable. You're comfortable in front of a camera, and if you're not, I would suggest maybe picking up some books or something, because literally this is really expensive training that I'm doing for free, so not something you want to miss out just for being camera shy, And I just want to address a question I got about yesterday. Someone asked me in regards to, taking the time in the morning to walk and clear your mind, clear your thoughts, answer those questions that's popping in your head. You don't really want to work out while doing that because your mind's not going to be clear. You're going to be thinking about your next set, or how hard the current rep is, things of that nature. And it's really a time where you just want everything clear and just all your thoughts at that moment to just be able to recognize each one, so that whatever questions arise or whatever doubts arise, you can immediately focus on that one and answering the question or eliminating the doubt. So that's about it for today. I tried to take another route to get more lighting, but my creative juices were popping this morning, so I got out a little later. But this is probably the way I'm gonna go from now on. I know it's a little more light. So I will see you tomorrow. You guys take it easy, and remember, you are greater than the 9 to 5. Peace.